It goes a little something like. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diana and this is Diana's 4 Reasons. If you are new, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more like it, and come on and join my journey. But I have had people who have been commenting and messaging me, and met some new people on Instagram. Hey y'all. Y'all have been asking about an update. I am in month 3 of my ortho journey, and as you can see, I now have a tongue crib in my mouth. So let's briefly touch on what is a tongue crib. Remember from the first video when they were putting the mold in my mouth to mold for the tongue crib? Breathe through your nose. Place it. All right, and bite. Well, that's basically what they did, was slide it right in the roof of my mouth. It's like a cushiony thing that's on top of it, so that I won't feel the metal like rubbing against my mouth. And then right in the back where your normal bands would go is where it's connected. And I'll do a separate video all about the tongue crib. But basically, the point of the tongue crib is so that while my braces are on and they're correcting my teeth, my tongue does not continue to ruin them. As you guys can see, I have major progress already. So I think the last time I talked to you guys, I was getting my braces put on, and I didn't have bands on these 4 teeth. Why? Because I had to get those removed. Those teeth were needed to be removed to prevent me from having to have jaw surgery, and they're supposed to help everything come down and close together. Without jaw surgery, my crossbite will not be completely corrected, but I can already tell a difference. So fingers crossed there. So that is what has been going on. I got my teeth removed on November 30th. I got all 4 done at one time. And then I got my tongue crib and everything put in on December 9th. So November 30th to December 9th. That's the last time I've had anything done, and I can see a major change already. Like I said, I'm going to do a separate video for the tongue crib to talk more about how I take care of it and things like that. But I have to keep it on until I learn to keep my tongue behind it when I talk. Which just makes it a little harder to pronounce words, or like you have to really focus. It's amazing how you can go your whole life and realize at 32 that you've been doing your tongue wrong your entire life, and you've been talking incorrectly your entire life, even though I knew I had a list. Other than that, I'm not in any pain. Every once in a while, my teeth will get sore because they're shifting. But look at this progress, y'all. My teeth are straightening up here, and you see they're kind of, instead of pushing in, they're cutting out a little bit. And my bite is closing already. And y'all, I cried when I got my teeth pulled because I was just like, oh my God, what have I done? Like, because my teeth are already significantly very small. So I was freaking out, y'all. I was freaking out. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not going to have no teeth in my mouth. I already got my wisdom teeth out. Now I got more teeth out. So I was like, what if this don't turn out right and I'm just walking around looking like I'm missing teeth? So I cried a little bit. But it's a part of this journey. It's a journey, guys. Getting started would be the hardest part for me. My mouth did have to get used to the tongue crib. My mouth did have to get used to the wires, but I figured as long as your ortho cuts the wires correctly, you won't need any wax. I only needed wax in my first videos because my wire was stopping here, and so every time I would move my mouth, it was just cutting my mouth up. But once they put the once I went back and they cut it a little bit more, I didn't have any issues. So my advice would be, make sure when they ask you, can you feel those wires? Take your finger, and if you feel anything poking your finger, then ask them to cut them a little bit more. So I'm gonna upload another video, and I'll link it here, and I'll be talking more about my tongue crib if you have to get that. And then I'm gonna upload a video just talking about ways that you can make sure you are taking care of your teeth and not breaking your bands. We have a wire. This is a wire. This thing right here. The silver part is the bracket, and the purple thing are the bands. So they tell you what not to eat. Make sure you guys follow that. But again, I'm going to link that in another video. If you guys have any questions, continue to reach out to me. You can comment here, or if you want to be more private, you can head over to my Instagram at Diana's4Reasons. And I'll be happy to answer any questions or just be a support system, because it is difficult. It gets difficult emotionally. But other than that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here. I'm going back to get my braces redone on February 15th. So I will follow up with you guys after that one. I'm going to make sure I stay on top of the videos. But I had to learn how to talk with this thing in, y'all. And I had to get over the embarrassment of it all. So head on over to that video once you get done watching this one. And until next time, guys, stay healthy.